Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to order from HungryPanda. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to order from HungryPanda, all you need to do is simply tap open your app. So once you open it, you will end up in the official homepage of your HungryPanda app. So simply scroll down below all the stores and tap on the store you want to order from. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply add the options that you want to order. Once you do this, you need to tap on view cart. So simply tap on view cart, and after doing this, you can simply type in a note or request it. So if you don't want to do anything, you can simply hit the checkout button, and once you tap on checkout, you need to now type in your number and verify yourself and proceed to the payment option. After doing this, you can successfully order from HungryPanda. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.